What is up, guys, and welcome back to the South Coast. Today's video, doing another Femco oil drain plug install, this time on a 2011 Nissan Pathfinder, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, guys, so let's do a quick little comparison of the OEM drain plug and the Femco oil drain system plug. So obviously same thread diameter, thread pitch. I believe on this Nissan it is a M12 by 1.5 or 1.25, 12 by 1.25 metric thread, torque spec 12 foot-pounds. So we will actually put the torque wrench on it this time. But yeah, so standard plug, 14mm socket, just plain threads, copper crush washer on there. The Femco system, it comes with a nice thick crush washer, so we'll be able to get it seated leak free. That goes on there. And this is the compact model, so it doesn't stick down this way really far. So nice cap, it's got a seal, O-ring seal in the cap as well as on the plug itself. And this part is where you screw your drain tube in whenever you're trying to drain your oil on your next oil change. You screw that drain tube in, and if you watch closely right here, this plunger will come open as you screw that plug in, or screw the tube in. So that's the open position. You see there's a gap between that green O-ring and the plug. And then whenever you're drained out, you take this off, put that to the side, take your cap, put your cap on there, and you're good to go. So make oil changes on this Nissan Pathfinder a little bit easier going forward. So let's get it put in. Alright guys, well that is going to do it for this video. Quick, simple, regular oil change. Installed the Femco oil drain plug in the 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We'll update come the next oil change. I'll probably shoot another video and show you how it works on the actual oil change process versus just the install. So y'all stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already to catch that next video whenever it comes out in approximately 5,000 miles. And we'll keep putting out content between now and then. We'll go ahead and put Amazon affiliate links in the comments for the plug, the oil, and the oil filter I use in this video. Those links give me a little bit of a kickback and help grow the channel, help support the channel so I can keep making videos. Justify it to people who say I shouldn't be wasting my time making videos. Anyway guys, I appreciate y'all checking it out. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.